Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your desktop icon size. So remember this, if you change your desktop icon size, it's not going to impact taskbar icon size or start menu icon size. So right click on the desktop. From here you can see the view option. You can see the three settings: large icon, medium icon and small icon. Here in default medium icon set automatically. But if you want to large icon, then select this one, or if you want to small icon, then go to view and select small icon from here, or if you want to medium icon, then select medium icon from here, or you can also auto arrange icon from here like this. It will automatically arrange your icon in your desktop. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.